Thank you for joining me today. So today we are presenting the Nilfisk Advanced SC750. This unit has a 21-gallon solution tank and a 21-gallon recovery tank. It's available in cylindrical and disc units. On the disc, it's available at 26, 28, and 34-inch scrub path. On a cylindrical, it's available in a 28-inch cylindrical scrub deck. Difference between the cylindrical and the disc scrub deck is on the disc, you have two long round brushes that do all the cleaning. And then on the cylindrical, they are long barrel style brushes that are able to scrub and do a little bit of sweeping by putting debris into a tray. One of the things that Advance is fond of is the fact that it doesn't need any tools to do any of the minor basic adjustments that need to be done. Simply a lot of latches, quick connects, even on the squeegee side. To remove the squeegee, typically just unscrew these two knobs. The blades are easily removed by just flipping the latches, and you're able to get all four edges of the blades. So when the blades start to wear, we can turn them, we can flip them, and then we can turn them again to get the most out of the squeegee blades. Operation is very easy. Simply, we're just gonna hit the button, one touch, green button. Everything activates. It turns on our water, our scrub head, our vacuum, and our detergent. So this unit is capable, this unit has its own detergent system. You simply just put the detergent in the bottle, and then the machine itself will mix the ratio accordingly to what you set the unit at. Nothing will start happening until you actually get operating it. Forward, reverse, and the unit will start scrubbing. This unit comes with has two different down functions. Pressure 1, and we can increase it to pressure 2. Adjustment on the squeegee. Low adjustment on the squeegee. Real ease of use. Great maneuverability. Tremendous water pickup. The SC750.